Welcome back to Houseplant 101. This episode I'm going to be talking about lighting and how different types of plants require different light intensities. So the three main types of light that your houseplants will need are full sun, bright indirect light and shade. Full sun is the most intense light type that there is. It can be found in front of a south-facing window that can get up to 12 hours of light a day. And then we have bright indirect light, which is one of the most favourable light types for houseplants. If you can imagine, the sun's beaming through your window, you have a big light panel shining across your room. That light panel is the direct sun. Now for indirect, you want your plant placed around 2 foot just outside of that panel. You can also find this light in and around an east or west facing window. And the last type of lighting is shade. Now there are two different types of shade. You'll have semi-shade, which you can find in and around an unlit window, maybe a north facing window. And then you have deep shade, which unfortunately nothing will grow there, probably at the back of a room. It's important to understand what kind of light you have available, and most importantly, what kind of light your plants need. For instance, if you have cacti and succulents, they require full sun, so will do really well on a south-facing window. Foliage plants like this calathea do very well in bright indirect light and can also adapt to semi-shade. For more of a shady spot, you could opt for plants such as ferns or aglaonema or like this aspidistra. Getting the light right for your plants is crucial to their health. For instance, if your plants receive too little light, it can result in lower leaves yellowing and falling off, leaves growing smaller and paler than normal, or even no growth at all. And on the other hand, if your plants receive too much light, it can result in your leaves being scorched, having a washed out appearance, and your plant wilting. So as I've said, it's very important for your plants to receive the light they need to thrive and flourish. See you next time.